on the watch box. I really do not know why I bought this watch. Well, you can see there because it's zoom. Hello, good day everyone. So today we're going to have another watch review. Now if you're going to look there, you can see any logo or any name on the watch box, because actually I really do not know why I bought this watch. Maybe it's just because I like how it looks on the internet, because I'm crazy about blue watches, and then I like the look of the watch on the picture on the internet, and then it was on sale, so that's why I impulsively buy the watch, even though I'm not really familiar with the brand. So when the watch came in the mail, when I opened the box, that's the time I tried to research the brand. Actually, the brand is relatively unknown. It's really unknown. I mean, there's no information that I can get about the brand. But then these watches are being sold in Amazon and also in eBay and also in some other online shops. So let's try to see what watch is this. Okay, so this is the watch. Okay, I do not know if you're familiar with this watch. The brand is this one, so that is the logo, and then it is the brand is Infinity Swiss watch. I do not know if also this watch is Swiss made or it has a Swiss movement, but it says there at the bottom, Swiss movement. So I do not know if this is really true, because there's no information that I can search online. I've been trying to search about this watch, ISW. So it says there ISW, and the meaning of ISW is Infinity Swiss watch. And then also, aside from that, the manual. Okay, so this is the manual. It has a 3-year limited warranty, and then this is the instructional or the instruction manual. And then when I look at the back of the manual, it says there Infinity Swiss watch, and then the address is Hollywood, Florida. And then it has a phone number, and then it says there, please activate your warranty at www.infinityswisswatch.com. Unfortunately, when I tried to go to that website so that I can register the warranty, which is the 3-year limited warranty of this watch, nothing came up. I mean, I do not know if this watch is still, if this brand is still in business. So let's try to see if this watch is a good watch. Okay, so now this is the watch. Okay, so I'm going to focus there, the look of the watch. Then I will try to turn the watch. I would like you to look at the watch if this is a nice watch. So obviously this is a quartz, and then it says there's Swiss chronograph watch, and then it has a Swiss movement, but there's no information that I can search online about this watch. I don't know when it was founded. I also do not know if they are still in business right now. Okay, so you can see there, that is the second dial there, and then that is the minute, and then it has a calendar on the 6th, and then the calendar also is quite small. I can barely see the number, especially if it starts with 10 and up. So it has a very small it has a very small, what do you call it, one hole there. Okay, and then somehow the font of the numbers is, you know, they are being squeezed in that little hole there, so you can really barely see the numbers. Based on the website where I bought this one, this is water resistant of up to 100 meters, that is 330 feet, and then the crown is screw. I will let you judge if you can really see the date there. See, that's the 10. Okay, 11, 13, 14. Well, you can see there because it's zoomed out on the camera, but if you're going to wear this one on your wrist, you can barely see the number. I mean, it's difficult to see the calendar. The case width is 49 millimeters. Okay, and then it has a blue band collar and rubber type of band. So this watch is actually a unisex watch. It's being advertised on the website where I bought it. And then actually it's more good looking on the picture than the actual watch. Kind of trendy looking, it's kind of very youthful actually. And then it says there it's unisex, but actually it's kind of girly. it's kind of girly, but well, if you're not really particular with colors or particular with the design of the watch, then well, you as a man, you can pull this off. Okay, so this is the watch. Okay, and then this one, it has a stopwatch. If you're going to press that one, then it will move the second hand there. Okay, and then press it one again to stop, and then to reset you press the lower button there. Okay, so if you have any information about this watch, the ISW, the Infinity Swiss watch, you can comment down below if you have any comments, or if you have or if you think that this watch is a good watch, you can comment down below, because I really do not know about this watch. But I used this watch already for many times, and then some people like it and some people has no comment about this watch actually. Okay, so yeah, so it's a fashionable watch, and then it has a very soothing baby blue color. So that's it. So that is the watch, the ISW Infinity Swiss watch, that it says there it has a Swiss movement, and then it's a Swiss chronograph. Thank you very much for watching this video. And then if you have any comments about the watch, you can comment down below. Bye!